Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at load balancer. What is a load balancer? A load balancer is a device that sits between the user and the server group and acts as an invisible facilitator, ensuring that all resource servers are used equally. So what are we trying to say here? Now supposing you have a server and you have like let's say 15 to 100 people accessing this server, right? Yeah, the server is working fine, no problem. It's working comfortably. What if 1 million people access this server at the same time? You see that the server will crash and it becomes a problem to your website. Now, how would you solve this problem? So, to solve this problem, you need to add a load balancer. So what will be the job of this load balancer? So the job of this load balancer will be to route this traffic on different what systems, right? On different servers, right? For example, if somebody makes a request to one server and another person makes a request and it sees that that server is busy, it will what redirect it to another server, making your website highly available. So your website will be available at any time. So that is the what a load balancer does. So we have different types of load balancers. Let's look at them. The first one is the application load balancer. So the application load balancer is what intercepts your request. For example, if you type www.google.com, so the first resource it needs is the application load balancer. This application load balancer is what will direct the traffic to the server where the request will be processed, right? So that's the application load balancer. If you have not used application load balancer before, don't worry, we will use it in one of our videos. So the next one is the network load balancer or layer 4 load balancer. So this load balancer helps to break data into chunks. For example, if you are streaming a video from YouTube, you see that it doesn't load once, it loads bit by bit. And that's because if you allow it to load once, then it will take time before it starts playing. So this network load balancer helps to stream this data bit by bit. That's why it's used mostly by companies that do video streaming. Then the third one is the gateway load balancer. So this load balancer is majorly used by companies that build something like firewall because the traffic it handles is a lot more, right? So that's that. So the next one we'll be looking at is the difference between the three load balancers. So the first one is the ALB, that's the application load balancer, is slow. The NLB is faster than the application load balancer. And you know that when you are streaming and there's a lag, you will not feel comfortable about it. That's why the NLB issue is fast. The GLB is faster than the two because the traffic that it handles is a lot more than the above two. So the next one is that ALB work on HTTP requests while the NLB performs action on TCP and UDP packets. Then the GLB provides balancing and routing services at the network level. So that's all. So we will use these load balancers in our upcoming video. Stay tuned. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel. Bye.